Hello, everyone. And if you've been suffering from recurring neck pain, tightness in your neck, and you have tried a variety of exercises and they haven't helped that much or only momentarily, then it's time to eliminate the root cause of most neck tightness and neck pain. And that is that we've relegated the task of nodding our head from the top of the spine where it belongs further down to here between the cervical spine, the neck, and the upper thoracic spine. And that causes a great increase in tension and workload for these muscles. And if you do that over any extended period of time, it will cause tightness. And you may do an exercise and for a moment it feels a little better, but if you don't solve the fundamental habit and change your pattern, it will just come back. So the first thing we need to do is understand how does our head bounce on the top of the spine. And it's really more of a seesaw than something that's supported at the back. So here we have a skull. We're not supporting the head from the back like this with muscles holding on. We're supporting the head from underneath. You see you have these two support points in blue. And you should learn how to rock your heads like a seesaw on top of these 2 points. Should be very, very easy motion. So let me show the sponge one more time. So we want to find that center and bounce from there. And actually it's a lot easier than a lot of people think. So if you look at the skull again, you see these bones here, and they're actually right underneath the ear openings right there. Very easy to find. So all we need to do is touch our earlobes, put our fingers under the earlobes, and right here on both sides, you can feel those points. Then we practice rocking our head from right there, so not from further down, but from here. And at the same time, I'm gonna push up a little bit against these 2 points. And we're breathing, dropping our shoulders, the jaw is very relaxed. Just do that a few times. I'm gently pushing up, and even just a few rocks like this of the head on top of the spine, and you probably are going to feel better, lengthened in your neck, shoulders more dropped. At the same time, we want to release any tension here in our jaw, especially in the muscle right in front of the ears called the masseter, very, very strong muscle. So we drop our jaw a little bit as we massage right to here. Very good. And then the next thing you can do, this is such a fabulous intervention to improve neck posture, is you go back to these points here and the mastoids right behind the ears. And we go a little further back and we just massage there a little bit. So I've gone a little further back, we massage and we rock our head. So when the face drops down, the jaw drops down, you feel a gentle, natural stretch of the neck. There, and we're massaging. Then I move my massage further back to the base of the skull. You can see I'm doing little circular motions and I'm rocking my head front and back, and we're breathing, dropping our shoulders, and we can massage there for a few moments. Let's do that again. And then notice how you feel. You probably feel not only relief in your neck, but also your shoulders are dropped, your spine feels more lengthened, and you generally feel more relaxed in your body. So that is a great way to resolve this problem fundamentally. If you now add on to that the fact that whenever you notice yourself going back to this, you just quickly think, okay, seesaw, and you just find that moment again of where is my head resting on top of the spine. Do that nod. Maybe if no one's watching, you can quickly do this and push up against the mastoids. Make sure you're balanced equally on both sides, so not on one side all the time like this. Just find that again, and slowly but surely your brain will change the way it controls this area. It'll become more natural for you to move your head from the top of the spine where it belongs, and you will feel much better. Also in your face, your eyes, you're going to have better blood flow to your brain, all kinds of benefits to doing this. So let me quickly review. Find the mastoids under the earlobes, nod your head from there, and then massage behind the mastoids. Keep nodding, feeling that lengthening of the neck. Relax your jaw, and then move your massage further back along the base of the skull, like this. Breathe. Good. And just do that exercise 1 or 2 times a day to remind yourself until you become a person that has a free, comfortable neck. And if you enjoyed this experience and learning about how to eliminate neck pain forever, we have a webinar coming up soon with lots of great exercises for the shoulders, for this whole area here. We're going to get rid of knots, we're going to get rid of shoulder pain, look at what we can do about shoulder impingement, and we're going to get a PDF with all the exercises. You can watch the replay. So you're going to feel absolutely wonderful in this area, and it's going to be so much fun as well. So looking forward to seeing you there, and stay healthy and happy.